Hi there fellow solopreneur warrior. In this video I just want to share with you a little Instagram hack that will help you post full or large pictures on Instagram. Why should you even care posting large or full images on Instagram? Well, for a start, take a good look at these 3 different image sizes on Instagram. Here you have a widescreen or landscape image size, and in the middle here you have the traditional Instagram image, which is basically a square, and finally you have the full or portrait image size. Now just imagine someone scrolling down their Instagram feed. Which of these 3 images have enough room or enough space to capture the viewer's eyes? Of course, you agree with me that the full image or portrait image size will easily capture viewers' eyes and attention simply because it occupies almost the full screen of most smartphones. On the other hand, the other 2 image sizes expose the beginning of the next competing image below the feed. That can easily increase the chance that viewers will easily be tempted or attracted to swipe past your post without even spending time to check it out. So by posting a full image, you'll be taking more real estate, which will make your viewers pay more attention to your post. Now you have to understand that no matter which of these dimensions you use on your account, when someone takes a look at your profile feed, all the images will still look square. So how can you now post a full picture on Instagram? Well, that's very easy. All you need to do is create an image using any image editing tool with the dimension of 1080 by 1350. The 1080 by 1350 dimension will give you a full or portrait image that will attract viewers. For creating your images, you can use Canva, which is also a free image editing tool, and you can use the Customize Dimension tab to create your images. Now, if you have an image that doesn't fit in this dimension, maybe because it's a landscape image, you can use InShot app. This app will help you fill in the empty spaces above and below your landscape image, making it a full portrait image ready for posting on Instagram. And that's how easy it is to create full or portrait images that you can easily post on your Instagram account. I hope this was another helpful video. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.